I'm Angelica DeRossi. I'm now a certified naturopathic wellness professional. The reason that I was looking into taking this course was because I've had several brain surgeries. I've had a stroke during one of the brain surgeries. I've had a few health challenges of my own, and I was drawn to naturopathy to get these answers. My body was breaking down. It was shutting down. I wasn't able to even leave the house. I needed answers. And so I found this course. At different courses, they would only go on like nutrition or, other stuff. But I liked how this course goes to the root cause and why are our bodies doing this and what is naturopathy, and it just goes right into depth. I like that I can work at my own pace. It was online. If we had any questions, we had mentors that could help us on our weekly Q&As. This course just really went into depth. As a licensed massage therapist and an integrative neuromuscular therapist, I have clients coming to me that are asking me about their health. Before this course, I didn't feel confident. Now, after this course and getting all the education that I needed, I do feel confident to be able to educate my clients and give them the information that they need. And now we're seeing results and they are feeling better. So there's 3 big takeaways that I would take from this course. Number 1, I have my health back. I'm feeling so much better. Number 2 is I feel equipped and confident to continue to help my clients with their health challenges. And number 3 is the additional income that we have coming into our family and our life. I would recommend this course to anybody that wants to help others and who is passionate about feeling better.
If you'd like to get more information about the Institute of Naturopathic Wellness and what it can do for you, just click the link below. I look forward to meeting you.